Annually, 10 million litres of solvent-based cleaners are used in German workshops, mostly in aerosol spray can form. Cleaning performance should be as good as possible with these, but the risk of accidents should be as minimal as possible. Time and time again, this conflict of objectives has led to accidents with grave consequences, including workshop facilities being totally burnt to the ground. Mr. Höfler, for many years now you've managed a well-known car dealership in Erlangen. What experience has the sector had with solvent-based cleaners? Well, it's known that far too many workshops still spray gasoline in cans around. This is extremely dangerous. Everyone in the trade knows that. For that reason, we first switched to A2 cleaners, but that did not turn out to be satisfactory either. Our staff have been asking for a safer cleaner for a long time now. One with a reduced risk, but one that cleans very well at the same time. These exist, but in turn, in intensive collaboration between the Employers Association Safety Committee, the German Federal Physics and Technological Institute, the PTB, TÜV South and the TUNAP company, the hazard potential of solvent-based cleaners, used mainly as brake cleaners, was intensely researched and investigated. Criteria: fire and explosion protection, health and safety protection, and environmental risks. Objective: to create a new application-friendly product generation. Using an elaborate experimental procedure, various flashpoints, known under A1, A2 and A3 category cleaners, were fire tested. For the purpose of the experiment, cleaners were sprayed at a close range onto a highly heated metal surface. The results were, irrespective of flashpoints, alarming. For not only the flashpoint conceals the danger, but also the risk of fire and the consequences of fire. Parameters such as detonation, reignition, lower explosion thresholds, and flame projection. A2 and A3 cleaners formerly considered safe. As we can see here too, a long reignition period and hence an increased risk. The properties of the propellant are also of significance. As can be seen here, combustible propellants have a dangerous flame projection property. Serious burns to the user may be the consequence. Non-combustible propellants reduce the risk of fire. To solve the problem, TuneSolve Safety Cleaner was developed based on newly defined quality criteria. Over 2 years of development work, the latest state-of-the-art technology was created. In a comparison with previous generations of cleaners, the TuneSolve innovation displays the safest fire protection properties. Brief detonation, no reignition, no flame projection. To clarify the point, once more in slow motion. Notable features. A whole series of further advantages characterize the new development, in particular in the fields of health and safety at work and environmental compatibility. TuneSolve will convince you with its optimum cleaning performance, reduced fire risk, and the user is also protecting the environment by using it. If used universally in Germany alone, the cleaner is able to reduce CO2 emissions by 5,000 tons per year. The workshop operates in obvious compliance with the Hazardous Substances Act, according to which the product with the least hazard potential is to be preferred. A safety problem which has existed for decades is therefore solved. Yes, we've been using it ourselves. With the use of TuneSolve and in conjunction with prudent hazardous substance instructions on the part of the manufacturer, we're on the safe side. It's really quite simple. Right, cigarette break. But not here.